Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Eclipse in your system. So just open any of the browser like Chrome or Microsoft Edge and just type Eclipse IDE in the search bar and hit enter, and then you will see the results like this. And click on the first one, which is the Eclipse Foundation. Click on the Eclipse Foundation link and then it will redirect you to this particular page. Here you can see the download option to download Eclipse IDE, but don't click on this download button. Just click the download packages, which is just below the download button. Okay, so click on the download packages, then it will redirect you to this particular page where you can see the different types of Eclipse IDEs available to download. So if you are a student, you can go with Eclipse IDE for Java developers, or if you are someone who want to work with web applications, then go with Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. Or if you want to use Eclipse IDE for C or C++, then go with the third one. So I want to download Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. So I'll go with this particular one. See on the right side, you have the download links available here. According to your operating system, choose the one which you have to download. For me, I have Windows, so I'll go with x86-64 link. Once you click on that one, it will redirect you to this particular page. And in this page, just click on the download link. So once you click on this download, it will start downloading. You can see the same on the right hand side top corner on your web browser. So you can see a symbol like this, and if you click on it, you can see the Eclipse zip file is being downloaded into your system. This will take a couple of minutes. It could even take 10 minutes or more, since the size is very big. Pause this video, wait till it's get downloaded, and then open this path where it is downloaded in your system. So go to the path where this zip file is downloaded into your system. Mostly it would be there in the downloads, so check on it and then right click on this particular zip file. So once you right click on this particular zip file, you can see multiple options, and there you can find extract all option. So click on the extract all, then it will ask you to choose the location where you want to extract this particular zip file. So here it will initially suggest the default path, but if you want to change the default path, you can click on browse and change the path, or if you want to proceed with the current path, just click on extract. For me, I want to keep this Eclipse in my D drive, so I'll click on browse and then I'll choose my D drive root position. So in my D drive, I am going to extract this particular zip file. Okay, so after you choose the path of your preference, click on extract. So once you complete the extracting, you can see the Eclipse folder available in your path where you have extracted it. So click on it and then you can see multiple folders and files like this. So come down, click on the Eclipse application, which is just below artifacts. So Eclipse application type, so click on it, then it will ask you to choose the directory where you want to launch the Eclipse IDE. So select the path where you want to launch the Eclipse IDE. I'll go with root folder in D drive, so that's why I've given D drive root folder. If you want to change the path, just click on browse and then choose the particular path where you want to launch the workspace. Okay, so once you choose the path, click on launch, then it will start launching Eclipse IDE. So once it completes launching Eclipse IDE, it will open the Eclipse IDE like this with a welcome page. So don't bother about it, it's just a welcome page. So you can just click on the cancel icon over here to get rid of this welcome page. So once you click on that file, so once you click on this particular file, it will show multiple options like creating a new Maven project or a CSS file or a JavaScript file. So that's it about installing Eclipse IDE into your system and creating a new project. Thank you for watching. If you feel this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also don't forget to click on the hype button so that this video will reach many other people. Okay, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.